Hello guys, this is Everyday from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Today is 31st of May, the last day of May in 2023. Thank you so much for coming back here. Right guys, thank you so much. And once again, yes, and yep, we are coming in. Alright, we are coming in. Yes, and right now, yep. And let's see. Okay, let me send out all the invites. Alright. Okay. Yep. Can I have my MT4, please? Alright, guys. Thank you so much for coming in. Hi, MK. Nice to see you here. Bradley, Hubert. Nice. Well, today's the last day, right? So, yep. Yesterday, I think, yeah, thank you so much for coming into the Discord. Okay, I don't know what to do with the Discord yet. Okay, so do bear with me for a little while. Okay, yeah, at the same time, I don't want to delay it for too long. Okay, so we'll just get into the group first. Alright, so first of all, over here, let's take a look. What do we have here first? Okay, and quickly get into some analysis work first. Alright, okay, let me listen to myself. I think it's okay, huh? Alright. So I think everything should be fine. Okay. Alright, so yeah, Aussie Cat. Let's take a look at Aussie Cat today. Today Aussie Cat, very obvious we are coming in the bear. So are we going for a selling? Alright. So hopefully, let's see if there's a chance. As we can see over here, we are testing on the support over at this area here. They are setting up. Looks like over here, as we are going to set up this way, it seems like we are actually hopefully waiting for it to break the support before I actually go for the selling. Okay, so at the moment we are getting very close to break the support. Okay, so we can just monitor it for a little while more before we actually take action. Okay, so at this point here, let's take a look at the Aussie franc. Okay, let's take a look at Aussie franc over here. Well, for Aussie franc, well, let's take a look. Aussie franc, we are also very near to the support over here. So at the moment, for now, Aussie franc looks like we have quite a good space out there, about 19 to 20 pips there. Well, for now, I think better to stay away for a while. Let's see later on if there's any good one. Okay, as for Aussie Yen, Aussie Yen, since yesterday we have been picked that out for some selling already, and today we are still continue on the downward trend. So I can see that we have managed to complete. Okay, just now. Okay, this morning we have completed this area here, and looks like we are still going down to take the support over at this area here. So Aussie Yen looks like we have another 36 pips to go. Well, looks good. Okay, so I'm going to put this Aussie Yen into my watch list. Okay, well, so next to go, well, for this part here, I'm going to delete it away since it's already gone. Okay, so Aussie dollar, let's take a look at Aussie dollar. Well, for Aussie dollar over here, well, it looks like we are still in the downward trend. We are in the bear. So the bear over at this point here, all right, we are now trying to break the support over at this area. So as you can see, there's a little support here forming up already. So you can see down into the H4 time frame is very clear, and H1 it will be much clearer. That you can see we are actually coming into this area here. So it looks like it's actually breaking. Retested once and still not breaking above. It looks good to sell, so I'm going to put this Aussie dollar into my watch list. All right, watch list. Yeah, Aussie dollar. Okay, yep. So over at this here. All right, and well, you can see over at this point here. Okay, what is this? Okay. To activate enable channels. Okay, I have enabled the channels, but well, that's weird. Okay, hi Suki, สวัสดีครับ nice to see you here. กินข้าวเหนียวไหม Well, okay, Suki, congratulations. Yesterday, Suki was sharing, yeah, I think these 2 weeks he achieved 90%. Very good. D mark. Okay, so Euro Aussie. Let's take a look at Euro Aussie over here. Euro Aussie, as we can see over at this point here, we are still in the bull. So Euro Aussie, I'm not going to touch this today, not to look at this today. Euro CAD, let's take a look at Euro CAD. Well, for the Euro CAD at this point here, Euro CAD, we're actually moving towards the north, and we have a sign of now coming back as a bear. So we are actually just break out of the structure to go into the bear. However, it seems like there's this one whole week here is consolidating for quite a while. So as I see, for the Euro CAD, we can see it's actually consolidating here, and perhaps we can still have a chance to sell down here about 50 pips. There's a 50 pips of space there, but it also depends whether we have a chance to sell down at this point. Okay. Alright, so because over here we had tested the support, it bounced up to form a resistance up here. Okay, as we can see over at this point here, we had tested the resistance right here. So now it's got resisted once again and it's coming back here. I'm waiting for it to break this support. Since yesterday I've been waiting until now. Once it breaks this support over here, we have a good chance to sell down for about 40 pips. So Euro CAD, okay, over here is something that I think is quite good. Okay, so I'm going to put this into my watch list. Okay, all right. So how about the Euro Yen? Well, Euro Yen. Well, Euro Yen, I think it's nice. Okay, to what I see over here, Euro Yen is pretty good. Although we are in the bull, it looks like it has formed up resistance up there now. So it's coming back into a point whereby we can see it's actually coming in for a selling. So at the moment, I'm going to look at this Euro Yen for selling. Okay, we have a support down here waiting for it to break. Okay, this support, you see, we are very close. Okay, we have, in H1, as we can see, it's breaking. Now it's going to retest. So we still have about another 28 pips down to more to go. Okay, so yep, Euro Yen, I'm going to put this into my watch list. Okay. All right. So next to go, Euro Kiwi. Well, Euro Kiwi, very straightforward. We are still on the bull. Okay, so skip this, but buyers can take note. How about Euro Dollar? Well, Euro Dollar, yesterday we have been looking at it for Euro Dollar. This is the downward trend. And now coming back here since yesterday, well, MK, I think it's MK, right? Okay, MK was we were talking about this. So after it touches this, it bounced back, right? It bounced back until today. It comes back here and it's still touching into this area. It's still testing very hard to go into this profitable area. So I will say that this area is pretty good. Okay. Now we are still in the bear and looks like the trend is still on the selling mode. So we will want to see this way. Okay, over here. All right, looking at this part here, looks like you know, this area is there's a resistance there. Yeah, exactly what you say, huh? Yeah. Dobra jutro, Caro. All right, so over at this point here, it seems like, you know, we are waiting for it to retest the resistance, and then perhaps we may have another round of selling of 30 pips to enter into this area. Okay, so still waiting. All right, still waiting for it, but there's good chance there. Okay, but at the moment for Euro Dollar, I will see that it will still be on the buy side. Okay, for a moment. Okay, this will be a pullback. The pullback will go up there, and then it will start to test the resistance or to form a resistance to come back here. Okay, so it should be quite a good one. All right, so I will still be putting my attention to the Euro Dollar as well. Okay, so for Euro Dollar, okay, I'm gonna put this. Let's see Euro Dollar. Okay, well, for Pound Aussie, as for Pound Aussie, we are still in the bull, so buyers can take note. I'm not going to touch this. All right, so for Pound CAD, let's take a look. Pound CAD. Well, as for Pound CAD, okay, as for Pound CAD wise, we are looking into the bull as well. So at the moment, looks like Pound CAD, we are still looking the bull. They have retraced downwards to look out for the support successfully to set up the support as well over here, and started to swing up to take the resistance. Let's look. That looks pretty okay. You know, that looks pretty okay for this to continue the selling. Well, I would say that at the moment, if we are looking into this as the selling, there may be a chance. okay, there may be a chance. But however, we need to understand that this round, okay, over here, we are still in the bull. So even if there's any chance of selling, it is still a pullback. Okay, so please be careful with this. For PowerCat, short-term selling is possible. Okay, I will be looking out for this area. All right. Once it passes through this, there should be an area here to take about a 37 pips, a pullback here. So I think that should be quite okay. So PowerCat, all right, just take note. Okay, the support is actually up here, as we can see very clearly. Okay, so this is where I'm looking out for. About 16 pips, we will meet up with turbulence, and then another, after it clear this area, it should be about 20 over pips. So that will make up about 30 over pips there. Okay, so yep, so I'm going to put PowerCat into my watch list, okay, for selling. All right, PowerFranc, once again, PowerFranc, you know, looking at this chart here, I think I'm going to skip this, okay? No need to talk about it. Well, so for Power Yen, well, in the bull, running up very, very nicely. Okay, so yeah, my friend was telling me he was no, sorry. No, my friend came back from Japan. So yeah, anyway, okay, so seems like Japanese yen is getting very weak. It's a good time to go holiday. Okay, anyway, all right, so over at this point here, seems like now we are actually pulling back to look out for support. As we can see, this is a bull and it's actually now pulling back. So when there's some pullbacks here, always watch out and understand why is it pulling back. Is to look out for support to go further up. So in terms of this area here, from here to this area, we have about 50 pips to go. All right, so that they will really look out. It will actually come up with a support over here, from here to here. All right, so it may touches the 172.245 around there, and then it will start to swing up. Okay, so are we going to stay with this Power Yen? Okay, so Power Yen, I will say that yes, we still have good chance as long as once we form up another round of a resistance up here. Okay, so there's the resistance over at this point here, and there's one over here. Okay, so this area here. So once it touches this area as a resistance, which is still holding as a resistance downwards, we should have a very good space down there for these 2 days. Okay, so I'm going to put this Power Yen. Okay, I'm going to put this Power Yen into my watch list. So this Power Yen, very likely we're going to see this is going to continue the selling for quite a while within this week. Okay, and perhaps next week we'll have a good change. Alright, so how about Power Kiwi? Well, Power Kiwi, very straightforward. We are still in the bull. Alright, so this bull is very bullish. So buyers can take note, sellers stay away. Alright, so how about the Power Dollar? Well, Power Dollar is still in my focus over here. Why is that so? It's because Power Dollar, we can see since last August. Okay, since last August. If guys, those have followed me, and remember last year I got my COVID, and price fallen all the way, and after I recovered my COVID, everything goes back. Seems like I'm an influencer. Okay, no. Okay, so over here, okay, it started to go bull. All right, from here it go bull. So as we can see, over at this point here, it started to swing back here. It looks like this bull get weakened and it's coming back, and looks like started to take this. Okay, take this over here. All right. Then this Power Dollar, okay, this Power Dollar over at this point here, we are going to look out for the resistance. As we can see for Power Dollar, it had been in a downward trend for the past few months. Okay, then we can see over at this point here, the trending is going on, all right, and but one thing about the trending is gone, where the break of structure, okay, looks like it's coming up for the bull. Since yesterday, the very strong bullish candle actually break out, and then we can see we meet up with the resistance up here. Okay, then we actually at this point here, they actually now started to swing down again. Okay, so today Power Dollar, it has a downward structure here. Okay, so it looks like the sellers are coming in to take over. So it's still good. So the Power Dollar, I'm going to wait for it to break the support at this level here. which is very near now. We are on the support, and then there will be a good chance that we are going for the selling. Okay, so yep, once again, let's look at this way. Okay, so we are pound dollar. Okay, I'm going to put this pound dollar into my watch list. All right. Hi, Merry Christmas. Nice to see you here. All right. Look out for all the pounds. Okay, focus on all the pound. Okay, why? Is there anything that you know? Can you share with me? Can you share with us? Okay, so pound dollar. Okay, I think currently there's a selling opportunity really. Pound dollar. Looks like we are coming in the selling very soon. Okay, so yeah, quickly before it starts selling. Okay, so dollar CAD. Well, dollar CAD very straightforward. We are still in the bear. We are still in the bull. Okay, looking at this, looking at the bull is still running. We are coming into the resistance here. Okay, so dollar CAD has reached one resistance, which this resistance can be quite strong. Okay, over at this point here. Okay, so let's take a look. Once it touches the resistance, let's see if able to hold down for the selling. Then there will be a good chance for the selling down for about 45 to 46 pips there. Okay, so that's one. All right. So for dollar CAD, okay, I will say that for dollar CAD, probably there will be a good chance for selling. Okay, but it has to. I will wait for it to touch us 136.503 on the resistance before we actually take action. Okay, so for dollar franc, very obvious. We are breaking out the structure. Okay, and now we are going on the buying side. So I'm going to wait for it to test onto the resistance again. Okay, and to see if this resistance is tested, then there will be a good chance for selling. Okay, so there will be the same thing. Still waiting. All right, for dollar yen. All right, now dollar yen. Well, dollar yen, as we can see here. All right, dollar yen. Generally, from the bear, the break of structure is still continue the bull. The bull is still running very smoothly, nicely, and today we are going to have some pullback to test. Okay, and then let's take a look. Where are we looking out for the support? The support, we are right on the support over here, here, and here. Okay, so dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen. We have good selling over here. Looks like this dollar yen nice. Okay, dollar yen. Okay. Seems like we are breaking out of this support very soon. Okay. 1, 2, it breaks, now retest. If this is going to hold as a resistance once again, okay, it should be coming back down here for another 70 pips. Okay, dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen, we are already now in this area, but dollar yen, please remember that let me see once again. Dollar yen, the bull is still running, but today is a pullback. Okay, dollar yen is a pullback. All right, so please take note of dollar yen. Dollar yen is a pullback. Okay, but it's looking out for support. That's why there is still good chance there. All right. Okay, so oops, holy, what's this? What's wrong with my? Oh no. Let's see. Hey, what's wrong? How come I cannot send messages? Oh my god. Alright, let me check. Let me see. If I can't work out with this, I use another way. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Alright. Hey, what's wrong, man? Sometimes, sometimes technology, things like this, can be quite a pain when it don't work. Am I right, guys? When it don't work, it's really kind of pain, yeah? Okay, yeah, and once again, alright, and thank you so much. I see Marcus has joined in, and my Discord. Sorry, yesterday I was quite quite lately I should say I'm quite busy. Yeah, so please pardon me. Okay, and once again, yeah, now. Okay. Hi JJ, nice to see you here. Right, guys, give me a little while. Let me see. Okay, let's take a look at pound dollar first. Pound dollar looks like holy, it starts selling off. Oh my god. Just now I was thinking, we can come in here to wait for selling. It's coming so near. Okay, so sad. Oh, so sad. Okay, yeah, we missed. I thought I can quickly finish it and can finish my analysis work and then quickly come in here. Yeah. Okay. I don't know what is this. Let me see. Okay, once again, yep. Let me send this out. Okay, yep. This is the Discord link for those who have didn't manage to join in. All right, this time we'll wait for you. So did you manage to capture it? Yeah, I hope you capture it. Okay, yeah. All right. Okay. Okay, let's see. Congratulations if you capture it. All right, and well, Bradley GUTP. Okay, congratulations. All right, so once again, and let's see. Okay, let's see if we are. Let's see if there's another round. Okay, looks like we will be looking out into another area. Okay, we still have another area here to see if this is going to retest to form another round of resistance down again. That should be a good chance there. Okay, I still see for pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar, I see there's a very good chance for the selling. Okay, there's still a good chance for selling. Okay, but then again is that pound dollar over at this point here, as we can see, is actually coming down to take out or take this liquidity out. Okay, then after that, I'm waiting for it to break through so that we can have another round. Okay. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to check this out. All right. Okay. Okay. My God. All right. Let's see today. Let me check today for pound dollar. Actually looks like I still got a lot of space down there. 20 over pips. 20 over pips there. All right. I still see there's plenty of 20 over pips over there. Okay. So let me see. Let me shrink this down. Okay. So 26 pips of space. Okay, let's wait another round. Okay. Yes, Caro. Nice to see you here. Okay. Yep. So where's this? Okay. Okay. Let's take a look at the goal. Okay. Let's take a look at the goal. Well, the goal over here. All right. Let me get in. Okay, let me see. For the gold, let's take a look. As for the gold, wow, I saw something interesting. Here. Well, looks good over this point here. Well, okay, as for the goal, looks like we are right on the resistance now. Okay, but there's still, wow, there's still very good space up there. Looks like there's still very good space up there. Okay, I think yeah, thank you, Carol. I think we are almost on the same track, huh? Very similar. Okay, so at this point here, as we can see, for me, I see that for the gold, if it's coming on the selling side, this area is very nice. Okay, I like to take this area here. Okay, so this area could be a good area at this point here, right? And but if this is going to break, above as a support, breaking of this resistance, and then we are looking into the area here, it may even go up to this level. Okay, let me see. Why is this? Why is it so thick? Let's see. Okay. 1971. Okay, 1971. All right. So let's say guys, as for this, okay, let's say if this is yes, they can go to 1970. Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so if this is going to break above the resistance, very likely that it will actually goes to 1971. Okay, as I see. Okay, it should be going to 1971. Okay, so okay. Okay, yeah, thank you so much for the sharing. 你说我除了教外汇，我还会教你怎么睡觉哈。OK， OK 啊，就好了哈。OK， Okay, so yep, yeah. Okay, I'm sorry for the Mandarin. Yeah, somebody was telling me that I'm not just good at forex teaching. I'm also good at teaching how to sleep soundly. So interesting, huh? Yeah. So she just woke up. Yeah, she just woke up. Okay, so yep, anyway, yep, let's come back here. Okay guys, I have a little bit of issue with my message box here, huh? So I'm not sure what's happening. Okay. So somebody please help me. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure what's happening, but anyway. Okay, so just bear with me if I miss your messages. I hope I won't. I hope I don't. Okay. Yep. Alright, so yep, and okay, so let's see. Now come back pound dollar. I'm still looking for pound dollar for selling. Okay, today I'm still looking for pound dollar for selling, pound yen for selling. Okay, pound yen we have a very good chance that there may be some pullback. Okay, there may be some pullback, a little bit of pullbacks. Then after that we are actually coming back for the selling. So this is the resistance level that I'm looking out for. Okay, this is the resistance level I'm looking out for over at this point here. Alright, so I'm looking out into this area 173, 107. It depends. I'm just quoting the price basing on my MT4. Okay, but if yours is it may differ a little bit because you are using a different liquidity provider. Okay, so just take note of that. Okay, then perhaps from here after the pullback there may be another good chance down for another good swing. Other than alternatively, okay, I'm going to wait for another round of selling. Okay, another round of selling. Then we can see there's a good chance to push further down. As we can see over here in M5, this is the highs here. All right, this is the highs over here. So in this area here, okay, so pound yen, there may be a good chance over at this point if it's going to stop here into the support here. Then they may be pulling back up here to test the resistance. Okay, to test the resistance. So at this point here, yeah, perhaps we may want to see that let's wait for a little while. Okay, either it pull back, test on the resistance to sell down once again, or it breaks this support so that it can continue to go down for the selling, which I'm looking at this area about 39 pips of space down there. Okay, it's about 39 pips of space down there. So still looking good. I will still see that it's still good there. Okay, for the selling. All right, after it breaks the support, after it breaks out the support. Okay, GJ is for the selling. Yep. Okay, so that's one point I'm looking out for. All right, so GJ sell. All right, so let's see. Okay, GJ is going to sell. Haru was saying GJ sell. Have you entered the trade for selling? Yeah. Okay, how about pound dollar? Yeah, pound dollar well tested now. For the pound dollar is tested now. Nice, and looks like we are going to test it into this area as a resistance. So there may be a good chance down here, okay, to test into this level of support here. Alright, so there may be a good chance for the selling for the pound dollar. Okay, so we can take a look at this pound dollar as well. Alright, hang on for a little while. Let's see for the pound dollar. Because over at this point here, looks like looks like it's going to come in here for a support, right? Okay, it looks like now it's going to continue the selling down to take this area. Okay, it looks like it's going to take this area here. Okay, then again is that not forgetting that we have a support over here to take note. Okay, this may be this is one of the support that we need to take note as well. All right, okay, so that's one point that we need to pay attention to make sure everything is right. Okay, so that it will not go wrong. Okay. Something not right today. The chat is not working well. Okay. Yeah. So this is over at this point here. Okay. And over at this area here. Okay. Over at this area here. Alright. So we are just now we are looking into this area here. Okay. This area here. This area here. This may be looking out for another 10 to 11 pips here. Alright, so at this area here, so take note. Okay, take note of this area. Okay, there may be a good chance there for the pound dollar to go for the selling, but of course, once again, we also need to be careful with this area here of support. This may be another area of support that it will also give another round of some turbulence here. Okay. So well, anyway, okay, that is one. All right, but also, okay, this one is actually not bad. Looks like, okay, this area here looks not bad. Okay, let's wait for a while. Let's see. Okay. Oh yes, finally, my chat is back. Let me see if I can send this out. Let me see, huh? Oops, something went wrong. Ah, I thought I can. I thought the chat box is out. So upset. Still cannot. Let me reloading it. Okay. Well, so never mind. Let's wait for a while. Okay, to see if that's that works. Yeah. Oh, what is this? Guys, I'm sorry if I got disconnected. Okay, I'm not sure what's going on. Okay, and let me try again. Okay. I hope it don't disconnect me. Okay. Let me see. Okay, hang on first. If you can still hear me, we'll still be because sorry, I cannot see any messages now. Still loading. Okay, so let's wait for a while and let's see how's this pound dollar is going to be like. Okay, I'm still waiting for the pound dollar. Let's see if the pound dollar is coming down to take this area. All right. Because right now, as we can see, okay, pound dollar has taken the low, and you can hear me. Okay, good. Okay. Wait. Okay, so over here, let's see. We are still holding below this area here. So let's see if these are able to hold as a resistance. Okay. Now it's tested and rejected, right? Tested and rejected. Looks good. Okay, tentatively looks like the rejection is still very good. Okay, rejection is still very good. So let's wait for a while to see if this actually able to push through. Okay, we still have about 10 minutes to go. All right, 10 minutes to go over at this point here. Okay. So once it pushed through over at this area here, all right, then we can see there may be a good drop down to take this support here, okay, to come up with the support area. Okay, then this level we actually will push back to take the highs again. Okay, that's a possibility there. Okay, there's a possibility there. So hang on for a little while. Okay. All right. Okay, so let's just wait for a little while. Okay, we still have 10 minutes to go. Let's see if this will work. I'm still waiting. Okay, for pound dollar. We have tested this area as a resistance now. Tested. Now you can see there's a lot of rejections here. Okay, however, looks like this area here is also one of the support here. It's not very strong. Okay, it's not very strong. But if you choose to sell now, okay, if you're choosing to sell this pound dollar, you have to take note of this level. Where the price is 123,780, 123,780. But once it passed through this 123,780, it should have a good drop there. Okay, it should have a good selling. Okay, 123,780, it should have a good drop down. At first one will be to 123,677. Okay, 123,677. Okay, so this is one that I'm looking out for. And other than that, okay, then after that it should be coming down to take this area as well. Okay, it should be coming down to take this area too. Okay, so for those who had taken the trade, okay, just take note of this price, 123,677 and also 123,557. Okay, so these are the two prices that you should pay attention to. Okay, so looking at this right now, looks like the pound dollar is doing very good. Okay, yeah. All right, so and over here, okay, so if this able to clear this area, I think this should be fantastic, huh? Yeah, it should be fantastic. Okay, yeah, it should be fantastic then. All right, then looks like one that we should be looking out for. Okay. Let's see if this is we still have about 8 minutes to go. Well, another 8 minutes to go. All right, let's see if these 8 minutes will it how will it react. Okay, how will it react into this area here? As you can see right now, it seems like this candle here, let's take a look. We are actually coming in here. It looks like this area a little bit looks like they are struggling around this area here, huh? Okay, there's always a reasons why, huh? Okay, there's always a reasons why they are struggling there. Okay, if we're looking into this area here, okay, if you see, can you look at the left side? Okay, this left side, there's a lot of turbulence down there, huh? Correct? There's a lot of turbulence down there. So it's also it's also why the price stopped there. Okay, so we can see that from that area. Okay, this is one that we also need to be very careful. Sometimes we may be too focused at the current moment, but we've forgotten after the big move, after one big move over here. This area may be one of the area that affect us. Okay, so we also need to take note of this. All right, so yeah, waiting for it to close below. Waiting for this candle to close below. Okay, once it closes, this is going to close below, highly likely it's going to break through this area to go down further down. Okay, so this is the one area. This is the area of the 123,677, right? Okay, just I was saying 123,677. So that's one. Okay, that's one of the area that we need to pay attention to. All right. Yeah, so let's see if this actually will continue, okay, and how it will react when the London market opens. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's see how it goes first. Then I guess likely, according to how it moves right now, it should likely to go down first a little bit more. Okay, then after that, then they will come with a support. Right now, let's see. Okay, it should be still good. Okay, other than this area here, a little bit of toughness there. Yeah. This is may I know what's going on with this today? It's working well for the past few days, but not today. What's wrong? Okay. And looking at this, is still on the downward trend. It's still doing good. Okay, it's still doing good. I'm still looking for the pound dollar to continue the selling. All right. Looks like it closed below. Is looks like it's still good. Okay, but we are still within this range here. Okay, we are still within this range here. So do take note about this area here. All right. But looks like it's still a good sign. Okay, looks like it's still a good sign. The selling is still ongoing. All right, looks like it's still ongoing. Okay, so give it a little while. All right, we still have about 4 minutes to London opening. London, yeah, still have 4 minutes to London opening. Okay. Let's see if that works now. Okay, getting close. We are getting very close. Yeah. The entry. Just now when you can see the rejections, after it breaks through here, and it got rejections to retest into this area of support as a resistance. You can see the resistance is here, correct? The resistance is here. So as you can see, this whole area, they've tested, and give up. They started to fail. They started to slip off, slide down, and now waiting for this candle to get out of the area here. Then we can the selling will continue to drop furthermore. Okay, that's one. All right, that's one. Okay, so at the moment, by looking into this, looks very promising for the selling. The selling is still looking good. Okay, selling is still looking good over here. All right, yeah. So, but of course, if we're going to narrow it down, okay, let's see. I'm going to zoom out and see now over at this point. This is the area. Okay, this is the area. Once it gets through, it will be a good one. Okay, it should be a good one. All right, to continue the selling down. All right, to continue the selling down. All right, so let's see if that if this is going to break a close below. Okay, if this is going to close below, we still have about 18 pips to go. Okay, 18 pips of space for us to grab some profits down there. Okay, so let's see if this is going to close below. All right, yeah. Generally, I still see there's a good chance there. The selling is still possible. Yes, Sabrina. Okay. For the GU, yeah. Yes. You entered over where? Here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Well, I think that's quite a good one. Okay. That's quite a good one. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here. All right. Okay. Over here. 1, 2, 3, 8, 5, 1. So now you are actually running on the 10 pips, correct? Running about 10 pips. Okay. Yep, you can continue to hold. Yes, you can continue to hold. Okay, if this is going to break below, close below, okay, I see very high chance that it should be going to take down the lows, this support over here. About another 18 pips to go. Okay, another 18 pips to go. That's quite a high chance there. Yeah, all right. Yes, okay. We are now coming about 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute to London opening is also one point that we need to take note. Okay, one point that we need to take note as well. Once the London market opens, okay, then there may be a move. Okay, so it depends on how it goes. All right, yeah. Okay, so let's see. We are about 10 seconds more to go. Okay, about 10 seconds to go. Okay, let's see if this is able to clear. All right. If it is able to close below, if they're able to close below, then I think that will be a good one. Congratulations if that's so. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Good morning, London. Well, okay, let's see if this able to close below. All right, let's see if that is able to close below, then I think that will be great. We'll see more move. Okay, we'll see more bonus move. Okay, wonderful, wonderful. All right, very good, very good. Okay, yep, and that's good. Okay, looks like now coming in. We are going to continue the selling. All right. Okay, so let's see. It touches 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 7. Let me see about there. It's coming near. Okay, let me check. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 7. Okay, it dropped. Okay, congratulations. Well done. Okay. GUTP. Yep. Okay, good. And what is that? Show us your account value. What is the account value? You mean my balance? Okay, so over here, over at this point here, okay, we can see this one. Okay, we are touching into this area here. 123,677. Okay, over here. All right, and now this area here, over here. After, if this is going to close below, then now we can see that, there will be another good chance to come down to 123.5577. Yeah, all right. Okay, go TP 10 pips. Well done. Okay, very good, very good. Congratulations. Yeah, I'm sorry I have to use I have to use mobile to look at the messages. The system today, I'm not sure what's happening. It's down. I think I have to feedback, huh? On and off, they always give me this kind of surprise. Okay. Okay, so yep, and right here, okay, over at this point here, okay. Let's see. Okay, for the pound dollar, pound dollar. Okay, good. Merry Christmas. Did you manage to get this bonus move? I hope you get the bonus move. Okay, yeah. Just now we are talking about this. All right. Okay, so at just now for the, well, let's take a look at the pound dollar. Just now we are talking about this area here. So pound dollar, after it breaks through this area, it came back to test this resistance. Some rejections shown. So over at this point here, after it showed the green and the red candle showed up the resistance. Okay, over here, there's a point of entry. Okay, after it retested and rejected over here, so that you can see there's a lot of rejections candle over here that shows the resistance is there. Okay, that shows the resistance is there. So over at this point here, okay, the resistance is there. So there's an additional to it. There's an entry. So you can take this area. All right. So there's an area here to take. So there's a good 13 pips there to take. All right. Yeah. So this is one for the pound dollar. Okay. Just now I was talking about pound yen, right? Just now, Karu was talking about pound yen. Yeah. Pound yen looks like now we have another similar scenario. Okay, it breaks into this area. Now they are retesting this area of 172,630. 172,630. Okay, pound yen. All right, another round of selling for pound yen, looking good. Of course, you can go for scalping for 5 to 10, of course, but we still have space for about 31 pips there. Let me check. 31 pips there. Yep, that's for the pound yen. Okay, we still have something good there. Yep, that's for the pound yen. Okay, I think that's something good over that for the pound yen. So still looking good. Okay, for the pound yen to continue to go. All right, and for the pound yen, we are now Pound yen, anybody? Okay, pound yen, is there anybody? Okay. Alright, pound yen. Okay. That looks one area for the pound yen. We are still holding into this area here, around this area. Okay, so there's still some support into this area, but once it clears off, we still have about 20 over pips to go. Okay, so total is about 36 to 37 pips. 36 to 37 pips there. All right. Okay. So we still have all this. Okay, we still have all this. Now it's looking out for the. Now it's still retesting the area. Okay. So later on, later on, let's come. It's coming in here. Okay. Okay, still testing back into this area here to see. Let's see if there's another rejections coming in. If there is, to form out another resistance, then I think it will be another good round there. Okay. All right. Seems like it's actually breaking through. Okay. Going to take this. Well, maybe. Okay, so let's wait and see how is it going. How about a pound dollar? Pound dollar seems like they are stopping here. Let me move this. Okay. Okay. Oh. There you are. Thank you for coming in. All right. I hope you sleep well. Oh, okay. All right. So how do you say good morning in Spanish? Yeah. All right, and yes. Yes. Okay, Ken will do. Pound dollar, we are testing back again. Wow, beautiful. Pound dollar, yes, that's nice. How about pound yen? Pound yen, okay, I think pound is coming soon. Pound dollar, so beautiful, huh? Yeah, it looks so beautiful. Okay. I'm not sure anyone. Okay, we can still look at this because pound dollar. I'm looking at it may be still coming into this 1, 2, 3, 5, 557 or something, or 557 or 577. Can't remember. Okay. Okay, 557. All right. Okay, over here. Okay, so I'm still looking into this area. This is quite a profitable area here for another 12 pips. Another 12 pips. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I want to learn Spanish. Anybody that can teach me Spanish? Just good morning. All right. I learned something. Dobra jutro. Okay, I think that's something that I learned from Carol. Okay. Thank you, Carol, for that. Yeah. Okay, pound yen. Let's take a look. Pound yen. Okay, pound yen. Okay, looks like it did not close above. It's still within this range. Oh my, this is beautiful. Now, pound yen looks good. Okay, the rejection so strong. Okay, it's still close below the resistance. So what does this mean? Okay, So this also means that this area of resistance is very strong. Okay, buyers just tested and just give up. Okay, I just put it in a very layman terms. Okay, so the next opening over here, attracting more sellers to come in because it still fall within. Is no matter how hard they try, it's still back to the resisted area. Okay, yeah. The pound dollar is not giving any chance. pound dollar 不给机会哦。Okay. Okay. Yeah. Actually, the pound dollar have a chance, but you are sleeping. Some of them have already taken their profits. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, you choose to sleep, right? Okay. You choose to sleep. Okay. Anyway. Yeah. It's better. Okay. It's better. Yeah. All right. Okay. Powcat TP. Congratulations. Well done, Manwai. And Keybell. Yes, you are right, Carol and Keybell. That's right. Yeah, you taught me quite a lot, huh? Dopra, you taught me Keybell. Okay, so yeah, Powcat, like we said just now earlier on, okay, this is pulling back, but it's because this has touches the resistance, and the resistance is resisting very well. Okay, when this is actually having one touching here, we can see rejections come in. At the same time, looking at this M30 showing some good space, we should still have space down to about 18 pips down there. Okay, so Powcat, yep, that's one in our list. Okay, so we have taken the profit from the Powcat. Let me see. I think your entry should be here. Okay, I think your entry should be around 940. Okay, today 940. Okay, I guess so. I guess. I think it should be there. All right, Manwai, am I correct? Okay. Yeah. So and then yeah. Anyway, we still have a little bit more. We still have a little bit more to go. About 14 pips to go. Okay. 10.06. Okay, 10.06. Yeah. About 10.06. Oh, I see. Okay, over here. So you're grabbing a. Are you grabbing a 5? Looks like you're grabbing a 5 pips there. Oh, that's a very quick and decisive one. Okay. Yeah, it's a very quick and decisive one. Very good. Okay. Yeah. And another round. Let's see. Pound dollar, pound yen. Okay, pound yen, we are still there. Okay, so hang on. Right, pound dollar. Oh, looks like pound dollar. It breaks below this 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 7, and now they are going to retest it as a resistance. Am I right? Okay. So after retesting this as a resistance, there may be a good chance from here they are going to sell down once again. Okay, you have another 12 pips to scalp for. Okay, yes, take 5. Alright. Okay, good job. Very decisive. 你现在越来越 sniper 了哈。You are now more and more behaving like more. You are behaving more like a sniper now. What am I talking about? Okay. What's wrong with me? Or maybe I didn't have enough sleep. No, maybe I didn't have a good sleep. Okay, let's wait. Now let's wait for pound dollar. All right, pound dollar. I'm waiting for the pound dollar to retest into this area here. Yeah, this area here. If this area here is going to hold it, and then all right, then it will still continue to go for another round of selling. Okay, yeah, yes, okay, yeah, yes, that's right. 我真上去了哈 yeah. Okay, so M5 to H4 is my SOP. I see. Yeah. Okay, you can yeah, just now, yeah, once I check through this one. Okay, nice. Okay, very easy. Am I right? It's so easy. Okay, beautiful. Right. Okay, yep. And yeah, nice. 在这里哈，这还准蛮好的哈。OK， 他已经起跑了，对不对？他已经是起跑的情况下哈。OK， yep. Alright, so let's see if this is going to form another resistance for the pound yen. Now pound yen is breaking out of this area, so that means to say there's a lot of rejection into this area. This area is one that they are going to test. So after testing of this area, if this is going to hold as a resistor, we are going to come back here to take this 25 pips. Okay, 25 pips. Pound yen. Okay, pound yen 25 pips there. So take a look, guys. Okay, there may be a good chance for entry after it tested into this area to come back here. It has to come back here. Okay, it has to come back here. All right, it has to come back here. Sorry. Okay, it has to come back here. All right, as you can see over at this point here, there's one support that is building up but it's not forming yet. So I'm waiting for it to form up the support. Okay, I'm waiting for it to form up the support. Okay, yes, let's take a look at the gold. Oh, looks nice, the gold. Okay, if gold breaks 1957, we will melt. Yeah, the gold will start melting. Okay, so we should be looking at it cross reaching 1952 to 1946, around there. Am I right? Okay, pound dollar. Yes, what is it? Pound dollar. Yeah. Oh, it got resisted down again. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. What is that? What it will be? What Kawa TP? What is that? What is the Kawa TP? What is the meaning of Kawa? Melt it fast as candle, Steve. Steve Leong. Alright, Steve Leong. Sawadee krap, Steve Leong. Steve Leong. Sawadee dong bye. Sabai. Sawadee. Okay. A long time never speak Thai. A long time never speak Thai already. Yeah. July I will speak Thai more. Okay, Sawadee krap. Okay, so yep. And let's see. And looks like we are coming in. Okay. More. Okay. It's like full. I see. It's like full. Okay. Oh, so I can whenever I learn, you know me, right? I learn the language and I will learn how to make up a sentence. Okay, I'll try to make up a sentence. Okay. So do I pronounce it correctly? Kerwa. First of all, learn the pronunciation. Did I pronounce it correctly? Kawa, Kawa. Kawa. I hope Karo, am I pronouncing it correctly? So if that's the correct pronunciation, okay, then the sentence should be what the Kawa? What the Kawa? Okay, pound dollar. Okay, let's take a look. Pound dollar. Yes, pound dollar. Looks like there's a good chance. Okay. No. Read you as well. Oh, I see. Read you as well. Okay. Okay, pound dollar. I'm waiting for pound dollar. Okay, guys, take a look at pound dollar. All right, pound dollar. Oh, pound yen also. Okay. Read you as well. Okay, hang on. Okay. You know me, right? I like to learn languages. I don't want to be just bilingual. I hope I can be multilingual. Well, multilingual. Yeah. So when I go back, when I'm back, Kuva. Okay. Pronounce it Kuva. Sound like English. Kuva. Okay, pound yen, pound dollar. Yeah, hang on, guys, because pound yen, pound dollar. Okay, looks pound dollar is like any time. Pound dollar is like any time. Okay, Kuva. What's the Kuva? What the Kuva? Okay, we are getting near. Okay, we are getting near, real near for the pound dollar, pound yen. How about the gold? Okay, how about the gold? Looks like the gold. You see, I am getting very near into entry. Okay, as we are getting near to entry, the closer we are to an entry. Okay. The more we have to be calm, okay? We have to be cool as cucumber, okay? Like Joshi boy say, huh? Okay, yeah. Okay. All right, yeah. Yeah, what is that? Indigenous language, cool. Now say I'm going to Kibel. Alright. I'm going Kibel. Cool. Yeah, okay. I guess some viewers may comes in. Hey, how come this guy behave this way in a YouTube channel? It doesn't look pro. It doesn't look professional enough. Okay. Yeah, as we are getting near, I actually make a compare. Not a compare. Perfect. Yeah, Kibel, Kuva. Okay. Last week. Okay. Last week. On one of the session. Okay, one of the session. Live streaming session. I was sharing with a groups of guys. Okay. When you are coming to live trading. Okay. When you are coming near to an entry, it's just like you are having a high tide. You're having a high tide. rushing to key bell. Okay, you will realize the nearer you are getting to the key bell, okay, as you are approaching the key bell, which is the toilet, okay, to the toilet bowl, right, you will feel the big rush of wave in you, correct? That's nature, correct? That's nature. So it's similar to trading. As we are getting closer to an entry, the eagerness will get onto us. Okay, so the more calm, the more cool, whatever you call, all right, we got to be. Okay, we got to be. Okay, and it's just like having a high tide, huh? We're having a high tide. Okay, we are rushing to the toilet. Okay, so when we are getting nearer to a toilet, you will feel the urge is even stronger. So that is something is very closely to be described with forex trading. Okay, so the nearer you are to the entry, okay, you have to stay calm even more. Okay, even more. All right, even more. So just now, you see, we are getting so near for the pound yen. I'm going to click for the entry. Okay, but as we are getting nearer, okay, we got to be calm. Okay, we got to be calm. Okay, we got to be cool. All right. So yeah, like Joshi boy say, as cool as a cucumber, huh? Okay, so we have to stay cool, huh? Stay calm. All right. So like such things like this, you see, it started to. Just now the resistance actually is coming. The rejection comes in, the resistance comes in, and then it's actually so near. We are so near to get into one entry. So before we get into the entry, okay, we are very near, am I right? So we have to really stay very calm. Okay, all right. Okay. Hi, Joshi boy. Just arrived. Wow. I just mentioned you about 30 seconds ago. Okay, yeah. Edgar, nice to see you here. Good morning, my friend. Yeah, how are you today? Today I'm good. Yeah, very good. Very, very good. Right from the morning. Yeah. I'm feeling so good. Today I'm feeling so blessed. I'm feeling so fortunate. I really have to thank God for giving me a chance to wake up, and for me to wake up to, I'm looking forward something, and it came this morning, and it brightens up my day. It has been such a long while that I don't have such a feeling anymore. I don't have such a feeling like this so long. Okay, yeah, all right. Okay, so looks like pound dollar. We are now coming into this area. Looks like we are still staying along this area here. You can see that setting up this support here, and still not coming down into my targeted area. This 123.55.7, 55.6. All right. So looks like they are going to retest this area. Okay, they are going to retest this area here, slightly around here. Okay, so after this, they may be coming back here with to take this about 17 pips down there. Okay, so perhaps it may comes in. Yeah, Edgar, I'm buying GJ 172.630. Right, 172.630. Oh, 172.630. Okay. Yeah, 172.630, which is this area of support. Okay, you bought in here, which is good. All right, but you have to take note of this 172.805. This is one resistance. As you can see, the resistance previously has been rejected quite a few times, and quite a good rejections, which shows that the resistance is also quite good over here. All right, so it doesn't mean that you have to cut the trade. Okay, you can hold it first. Okay, you can hold it first, and to see if this is going to break above. If this break above, Alright, if this is going to break above to form a support, you can continue to hold because it will still be going targeted at the 173,107. 173,107. Okay, so still quite a good space up there. Alright, to go. Okay, we're about 30 pips after it breaks 172,805. Okay. Yep. So for pound dollar. Pound dollar. Let's take a look. Pound dollar. We are coming back again over here. Nicely. Okay. So it coming into 123,777. This area here. Now it's got rejections and looks like they are coming back here. Let's see again. Alright, if this is going to break this area here to continue the selling down. Alright. Okay, let's tentatively it looks like we are still going to test it out. Okay, we're still going to test it out. Yeah. Alright. Okay, pound yen high forex new wave. Pound yen watching line chart. Expecting to start buying from 5. Okay. Pound yen starting to buy. Okay. Alright. What? Five. What 5? Sorry, today today my chat system is down, so so today I'm going to look at the okay 5. Oh, Japan 5 o'clock. Okay, Japan 5 o'clock. Okay, so not the MT5 5 o'clock. Okay. So we have now 30 minutes to go. Alright, yeah. So looking at this, it looks like it's going to form a W, am I right? Like you always said, there's a W here. Alright, so it's looking at this area here. Yeah, just like it's looking into this area. Okay, we can see it's actually starting to console a little bit here. Alright, to see if this is going to break below this thing, okay, this area here, then there may be a chance that it will still continue the selling. Alright, am I right? Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay. Okay, so things like these guys, you can actually take a look. Okay, I can point out something over here if you find it useful. If you're not using a line chart, okay, if you're looking into things like a candle, red, green, okay, you can see the red, green, okay, if this candle come in and again here, all right, so it looks like this is coming for a buying because downward stroke, upward stroke, downward stroke, upward stroke is like a W. Okay, all right, so for the pound dollar, yes, M15, okay, M15, yeah. Okay, so M15 over here, it looks like it's coming out for another W as well. Okay, so if you look at this, downward stroke, upward stroke, downward stroke, and then if that is coming in along with the upward stroke, another candles. Okay, all right, so it should be coming for a buying. Okay, well, so at this point here, yeah, let's see how it goes first. Okay. And from this area here down 16, there's a good one here, but of course this is one that if this is going to break through, we can see the trending is still ongoing. All right, if this is going to stop here, highly likely I think the support is formed, then the buying will still be coming in. Okay, so there's something that we need to take note as well. Okay, all right, yeah. So upsetting. It's supposed to help me in my reading of all the messages, but today is down. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. No assistant to help me today. you are right. Okay, so yep. Did you manage to get any trades today? Yes, I got my GU just now. Okay, I got my GU just now. Yep, okay. Uh-huh. Is that so? Eh? Did I see wrongly? Eh? Did I see it wrongly? Gold can tap 1952. Okay, gold can tap 1952. 1952. Okay, looks like Carol, can you turn on the heat? Okay, to melt the gold. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay, okay. Oh my god. What a long one. Oh. Pound dollar. I think still looking looks like still pretty good for the pound dollar. Let's take a look. As for the gold wise, I think we also quite good. We have about 12 to go. Looks like still quite good also. About 12 to go. Correct, is that 12? Yeah. Okay, gold about 12 to go for selling. Okay, let's come back pound dollar. Right, pound dollar. Right, keep it going. Pound dollar, keep it going. Okay. Pound dollar, keep it going. Yep. Pound yen, let's take a look. Still there. Alright. Pound dollar, let's see. Pound dollar. Okay. Pound dollar. Well. Is this pound dollar is going to break below to continue the selling down to 123.55.6. 123.55.6. Okay. Okay, yeah. Yeah, that's all for me today. I got a bonus move. I got a bonus move, yeah. Yeah. This is my bonus move. Okay. Okay. My bonus move. Okay, never mind if you cannot see. Okay. Yeah, I will follow up with a video later on. Okay. Yeah. Today, because today is last day of the month. Today is the last day of the month. Okay. So my all my figures is going to close end of this end of today. Yeah, I'm going to close everything end of today. Okay, so pound dollar looks like wow. Okay, looks like now. Okay, pound dollar, right? Just now, let me see. Pound dollar, okay. Pound dollar 15 M15 line chart. Okay. Yep. So no now. Okay. So let's see if this is going to hold as a resistance once again. Okay. Pound yen, no. Pound yen, no. Okay, hang on. Right. As for the gold, as for the gold, one 1957 looks like it's coming. Okay. Right. Yes. For the pound dollar, as for the pound dollar, I'm actually waiting for the gold to achieve the 1956 one, right? I just now are we discussing about this price, right? 1956 one, about 12 pips just now to 1957 just now. Okay. Yeah, so 1956 one. Okay, so now pound dollar, let's take a look. Okay, pound dollar, right? Pound dollar looks like today is still looking good. Okay, pound dollar looks like still looking good. It's just that this area looks like this area is kind of pain. It looks quite a little bit of pain up there, down there. Okay, to break this, then it will continue to go down to take. Okay, so generally it should, generally it should. Yeah, I still see good selling for the pound dollar where there isn't any reversal sign yet. No sign of reversal. Okay. But of course, we still have to be a little bit in the way. Let's see. This is the highs up here. Okay. Yep. And wait. This moment. Okay. This moment, for me, I'm gonna wait. Okay, because you see, it has built up a new resistance over here, and you can see candles rejecting from this area here. Alright, so still waiting. I'm still waiting for it to actually comes in, alright, to form a concrete resistance once again, right? Then the selling may be very good down here. Okay, alright. Pound yen, you see, okay. For agar, pound yen. Okay, take a look at pound yen. We are coming into 172.805. Okay, so this area here. Take note, if this area is going to form up a resistance, okay, for the selling, then you got to be a little bit careful. If this is going to break above to set up for support, okay, just let it go. Okay, let it go up. All right. So yep, for pound dollar. As for pound dollar, okay, if you enter for a trade, let's wait for this to break out of this range here. It's coming to break out of this range, and then you will see one bungee jump. Come on. All right, pound dollar 123.648. We are looking for 123.55.6. Okay, yeah, okay, looks good now, looks good. Okay. Okay, and keep it going, keep it going. It looks like we are getting very near. Okay, pound dollar getting so near. A little bit more, just a little bit more. Yep, you are so close. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so close. Okay, looks like you can see there's a they are rejecting from the same they are rejecting from the same price, right? Okay, so once the candle close this way, then forget about it, it's gone. Okay, I'm not sure who is that, who is still in there with Sabrina. Okay, Sabrina is still holding it, correct? Yeah, still holding it, right? Okay. So over at this point here, okay, over at this point here, looks like it stopped. Is coming in. This rejection is actually here already. So just be a little bit careful. Okay. If this is going to close this way, then it's no good. Okay. Yep. But it's not closing yet. We still have chance to break below, to have a lower low over there. Okay, allow it to go lower low. Right, come on, you can do it. Let me chill for you. Those who are still holding on to the GU, I think should be around. That's now Sabrina, right? Here, still holding on to 123. Hubert as well. Flora too, and who else? Roger. Okay. So you are here. All right. Okay. And okay, Celeste. Okay, Celeste. All right. Okay. So one whole team. You are still holding on to this. Okay. Can I? Sometimes when you are holding a trade, as you are holding a trade, right? Please make sure that you have a reasons to hold a trade. Okay, not because you set your TP down here and you want the market to fulfill your TP according to your wish. You get what I mean? All right. Okay, so that is not supposed to. That is not the way. Okay, but you must have the reasoning and the rationale to hold the trade. Why you are holding it to your point of TP. Okay, which is very important. Okay, that is very important. Okay, all right. Yeah. So yes, we have another 1 minute to go. Okay. Yes. This minute it will break because you can see the trend. Okay. All right. So let's see if we are going to close below. All right. If we are going to close below to achieve this area here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Okay, let me say this in Mandarin. Okay. Excuse myself in Mandarin. All right, 1 minute to go. Okay, let's wait for the 1 minute. Okay, then I will then I will go into Mandarin. Okay. Well, looks good. Okay, looks good for the pound dollar. Although we still close, the price still close right at the same spot. Okay, same level. Okay, so in this area, it may still form like a double bottom. You know. Okay, it still form like a double bottom. Is there any lower low? I would say that yes, there is. Okay, but the closing is not so good. Okay, we still have a chance. Okay, we still have a chance. All right. Okay, so yep. Now let me excuse myself into the Mandarin. Okay. 在交易的时候呢，好不好？不要一厢情愿。我的意思，一厢情愿的意思就是什么？是说 ，OK， 你不能你不能自己想着说我的这个盈利点位是在这个价位哈，现在这个棒美哈，这个价位1.23556，好不好？那么呢，你刚才进场的时候呢是1.23855，所以你现在的盈利点数有将近20几个点，对不对？那你不能就是持着单，就是因为想要持着单达到你的盈利点，你不可以这样想。OK， 你要按照当下的情况，如果当下情况允许你持单到你的盈利点的话呢 ，OK， 你可以继续持单到你的盈利点。但是如果市场没有给你这个机会，情况有所变化的话呢，我们要变通，我们要懂得及时呢，按照市场的变动呢，来手动平仓拿走我们的盈利。OK。所以呢，像现在的情况，其实我们的这个棒美呢是还有机会再继续往下跌到我们的盈利点。所以像这样的情况，你看到像这样的情况的话，是可以，是有给你充足的这个理由来持着这张单子的话呢，你就应该继续持着。好不好？而不是求神拜佛哈天啊，帮忙啊，地啊，救命啊 ！OK， 不是这样哈 OK， 好吧，那大家记得啊，当在金融世界里面呢，如果想要赚取一些钱的时候呢，不要因为自己的思维在想着你这个投资是可以赚钱，而是呢按照市场给你的信息来决定你要赚多少钱，好不好 ？OK， 好的，那么小小的分享啊 ，OK， 你们去听一听吧 ，OK。好，那 not now anymore is let's come back here in English. Let's come back here in English. All right. Okay, so this way. All right, this way. Okay, so look back here. Okay, once again we have a good try that is actually breaking out of the previous low. It shows that there's a lower low. Okay. But then again, let's look out for onto the left side. We are still having some disturbance over here that gives some turbulence over here. All right. So that may be all these are the points that we are looking out for. As for me myself, okay. So it's a very clear points that can help us to to analyze what is the kind of movement is going to be like. Okay, I cannot anticipate what is going to happen. All right, but at the very least, okay, we use some logical historical statistics to tell us what is going to be like. Okay, there must be something there must be something to support the rationale, correct? Okay, to support my theory. Okay, so I'm actually using all these points to support my theory in my trading, so that it can help me to hold a trade, to make a decision whether should I cut the trade right now and collect my profits. Okay, so it's also somewhere there, huh? Okay, we cannot just say that because it's getting so near to my TP and I don't want to get out of the trade. so that I can get my TP. You know, it's very near already, so I want to keep it going. Well, no, not really that. Okay, so please take note. Okay, please take note. Right now, situation like this may change. Okay, situation like this has changed a little bit here. So if this is going to hold another small resistance down here to push it lower, that's fine. Okay, that will be fine. Okay, so I'm going to pull this down, and you can take reference from this level. If this is going to close below or this level here, okay, if it's going to close below, you are still fine, you are still safe to continue to hold it. If not, then I think it's better to close your profit. Okay, then it will be still good to close your profit, because as Forex New Way just I was saying, over here M15 is going to build out another W. Okay, then it's going to become a reversal. So yep, as all these points are for us to refer. Okay, so that everyone here will be able to see and are able to read. Okay, and it will help you to make a decision. All right. Okay. Pound yen, we are still AGA. Your pound yen is still here at 172.805. Still waiting for it to break above. All right, then set up the support to continue the buy. Okay. Yeah. So that's one for the pound yen. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Pound dollar. Pound dollar. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we have 3 minutes to go. All right. We still have 3 minutes to go. Okay, this 3 minutes is going to be interesting, huh? Okay, guys. So, yeah, I have my Discord done up. Okay, so for people who have, you can take a look at my pinned messages. Okay, so you can just join in my Discord community. All right, to share with everyone. Okay, over all of you can communicate there to learn from each other. Okay, I believe there are plenty of goodies inside there. Okay, because everybody is sharing there. Okay, I hope everybody is sharing in there. We are pretty new since yesterday. Okay, it's our first day. All right, yeah. Okay. Because we cannot be here 24 hours, right, on the YouTube. I cannot speak 24 hours here. My vocal will give way, huh? Alright. Yeah, this year, I think, is it this year? Or apart from last year, COVID, I was away. Yeah, I was away for almost 3 weeks, right? Yeah. And this year, I have, yeah, I also have one. Yeah, once. Yeah. Okay. And other than my vocal issue, then is my business trip. My not business trip anyway. Okay, I shouldn't call it a business trip. Okay. Yeah. My seminar trip. Yes, you're right. My seminar trip. Yes, my seminar trip. Last year November was in Japan. Yeah, Japan. Yes, Japan. Yes. Then after that Taiwan. Yeah. No worries. Thank you, MK. Yeah. As long as I keep it, you know, short. Then I think it should be good. Yeah. In fact, it's not something serious, okay, but it's just to take care of it so that I can still sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. All right, we still have 1 minute to go. I think less than 1 minute. Okay, yes, let's go. H1 has opened. Let's see. Okay, and 15 and 30 and 15. Okay, congratulations. Looks like we are now into this hour. Then let's take a look at M15 for the pound dollar. Is it going to form up the W? Well, it looks like there will be still some time to go. Okay, right. So over here, how about pound yen? Let's take a look at pound yen. Pound yen, we are still stuck here. Okay, how about the gold? Okay, let's see the gold. Oh, the gold. All right, the gold. Okay, the gold. I think we have touches 1955. Caro, did you manage to get it? Yeah. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Join the Discord channel. Yeah. You can upload your charts, profits, trade, etc. Exactly. All right. Yeah. Okay. We can upload there. We can share, and we can yeah, and share some projections. Correct. That's right. All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, although I'm not very good at Discord, but I will put in effort to learn it. Okay. Yeah. Caro, did you manage to capture this goal, this move? Yeah. To Bangkok. Yes. I'm sorry, my English is not very good, so sometimes my pronunciation may go a little bit haywire. All right. Okay. So yeah. So when are we going to Bangkok? All right. So when are we going to Bangkok? All right. Okay. So, guys, for those who are still holding on to the pound dollar, today a bit slow, today. Unlike yesterday, it was like after I go offline, and it is still really very strong move. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So during this today, okay, 31st. All right. So over at this point here, looks like anytime we may have some move. Okay, anytime we may have some move. All right. So, but please take note of what we are having this in GMT plus 10 o'clock. We are going to have our job change, JOLTS. Okay, JOLTS. Okay, our job openings over here. Okay, so GDP from the Canadian dollar. Okay, so these two are more of a concern to me. All right, so please take note. All right, please do not enter any trades during this period of time. Okay, well, if you want to enter any trade, you can wait for the impact to be over. All right, then look at the trend. If it's selling, look out for buying. If it's buying, look out for selling. Trust me. Okay, all right, yeah. So okay, that's for the GMT plus 8. Okay, for the rest in the Europe, okay, or in the US, Americans should be still sleeping now. Okay. Well, so for people who are in the Europe, okay, we are in the afternoon to look out for all these news to avoid trading. After that, okay, after the impact, then look out where the trend is going to set up. Okay, in terms of the key levels, like set up the support or set up the resistance, then we take action from there. Okay, always avoid trading within this period of time. Okay, all right. So today all day for the German prelim CPI. Okay, all day. So anytime. Okay, so anything I guess even the stock market right now is very quiet. Am I right? It's also very quiet. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Especially like Bayern, Germany. Bayern, Germany is very quiet. It is not moving. My stock is not moving. Alright. Yeah. Okay. So today there's very minimum movement. So yeah, for pound dollar, so it seems like we are actually still moving towards achieving lower low. So it still looks good. Okay, it's still looking very good. Yeah, waiting for the volume exactly. Alright. So yeah, just wait for it to happen. Okay, for pound dollar, it seems like it's still going for the lower low, but it is also looking at the candles itself. It seems like it's actually coming to an end. Okay, so please be careful. Consolidation is coming soon, so just take note. Okay, collect whatever you should collect. Okay, so right now it has come into this level to show the resistance is here. Okay, take a look here. Alright, so over at this point here, so if it still continue to reject from this area of 123.657 to create another lower low, 123.556 is highly likely to be achieved. Okay, as for agar, your pound yen, well, pound yen over at this point here, we can see the pound yen over at this area here. Looks like we are still holding within 172.805. Okay, over here the rejections is also there, showing the resistance is still pretty firm. Okay, your buying trades, probably you can realize your profit maybe somewhere near, or you want to keep it a little bit longer to see, because right now, as you can see from here, the selling is already coming down. Seems like the consolidation is actually coming in as well. So from this consolidation, there may be a time from this area here, it may start to shoot above to achieve 173.107. Okay, that's for the agar. Okay, all right. So I guess that should be all for today. Okay, that should be all for today, guys. I'm so sorry that my message box is down and I didn't manage to read all your messages. So if I have missed out any, please pardon me. Okay, then I shall see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday. Tomorrow is Thursday, 1st of June. Okay, yeah, I think oh yeah, tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow Thursday. I will try to go online. Okay, well, I will try to come live here. Okay, I will keep my status updated in my Discord community, or I will post something up, because I got a guy to come in, okay, to boost my network. So he's supposed to finish the job by 13 hours. Okay, 1 hour before my live streaming. Okay, so hopefully he can get it done. Then after all the testings, then I will come in for the live streaming. Okay, if not, then probably I will have to skip tomorrow. Okay, all right, just in case. Okay, all right, just in case. Okay, so yeah, just in case, so that I just let all of you know first. Okay, yeah. Okay, pound dollar TP. Okay, just okay, nice, good job. Okay, so hopefully, yeah. Well, congratulations, Bradley. Well done, everybody. Wow. Roger, Phyllis, wow, everybody. It's out of nowhere. All these names comes out. Okay, what a good holding. Okay, well done. Okay. Well done, everyone. Okay, congratulations. Well done. Well, you have been holding it for almost 30 to 40 pips, right? Just now, I think here 30 pips, 45 pips. 45 pips. Ah, okay. 45 pips for the pound dollar. Well done, Hubert and team. Congratulations. Okay, we can have our German hot dog now. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, enjoy your German hot dog then. Okay, guys, thank you so much for coming in today. Congratulations. Alright, Khatib, GUTP, well done. Made my dad's half-month salary. Congratulations. Okay, well done. Okay, well done, Khatib, well done. Okay, fantastic. Alright. Okay, that's very good. Half a month of a salary. Okay, congratulations, guys. Very nice. Good holding for the pound dollar. Okay. Well, guys, I shall see you tomorrow. Okay, I shall wish you good luck in your New York session and also, okay, with bountiful of profits. Alright. Last question, may I know where the pound dollar is going? May I know? Okay, last question. Okay, last question. Let's see. Pound dollar, I'm going to come back here to take this. The next level we'll be looking out into this level of support here, about 123.489, 123.489, which is very near now, just only a few pips away. Okay, 123.489, and if this able to get through, we should be coming down to take this area of support, which is about, sorry, not here. No. Yeah. Which is about 123.310. 123.310. Okay. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, it should be there. But tentatively today looks a bit slow. So yeah, just take note of 123.489. Okay, after it pass through 123.489, then we can look out for 123.310. Okay, all right. Thank you so much, guys, and really very happy for all of you. Okay, and this is everyday from ACS Learning Hub. Thank you so much for coming in today, and you really make my day. You make my day. Thank you so much. Well, see you again, guys.